Okay, now pretty much full face of foundation. Here we go, and I'm starting with lashes right now. And what we're really just trying to do is, I'm really just trying to get to the point where I can show you this palette. It is a quad palette by Avon, so I'm really just trying to get there. So don't judge me. But did I just say don't judge me though? I think I did. Okay. So, all right. What I did forget was the Magic Prime. All right, this is all Avon products that I'm showing you right now. This is the Magic Primer, and all this is getting your skin ready. It's actually getting your skin ready for the makeup that I've already caked on. Rogue. Rogue. Okay, enough. Okay, the lightest color you want on the inside, and I'm about to show you right now. With that angle brush, alright, we're about to do that right now. And maybe we put some glue on those lashes a little too soon. Better late than never. Or, wait, better early? Anyway, never mind that. Okay, so, boom, here we go. This is my favorite part. Oh, it's such my favorite part. Okay, so let's do, how am I going to do this today? So I'm just kind of coming up with something. Let me look at my eyes. And I'm weird, I kind of go with how my eyes are sitting, aren't they? If I'm looking tired, I kind of gotta pull real hard up. Gotta pull real hard up on them. So I don't really like to go with a deeper color, but I'm going to do it just for argument's sake. So I'm going to use that 4, right? And Avon is so cool, they always kind of give you like a number guide. So that's cool. And it does, you know, it does kind of help out beginners. If you're a makeup virgin, here's where your chair is going to get popped. Okay, so boom. Well, I'm just being ghetto about this. Why am I looking at the camera instead of looking at my... This could be terrible if I don't pay attention. Okay. So I'm taking that 4. That's the deepest color, right? I'm going to shove it off in that crease. Stick 'em up. Stick 'em up. And then I'm going to snatch it upward, right? Just snatch on that move. But it has to be sharp. Nice and sharp. Okay. We want to make sure we pull it up on it. Up and out. Up and out. Now, going for Xena Warrior Princess. Just kidding. Okay, here we go. Now, get that crease. Alright, I'm taking that 2. That 2, that medium color. I'm coming in here. Boom. Bringing it in. Bringing it on home. You know what? I'm running back. I'm stepping backward. I'm going to that 3. Let me show you exactly what I'm using. Okay. Boom. There's our 3. There's our 3. That's what I'm using right now. I was up here with the 2, but I came back down to the 3 because you know what? I need to blend this outer mess that I did here. Okay, so we'll take that nice, deep, pretty brown, and I'm just going to pull it back up in here and just curl it around. And it is very beautiful. Oh, that brown is so beautiful. The 2. Okay. Two on there. Now we're just going to put the 2 everywhere else. Just the lid though, my little tiny lid. Put it there. We're only going like midway in. Okay, time to go to one. There's one. That's one. Who can say one? Who can count to one? Ready? Go. Even with just a little 4-color palette, it is looking good. A little bit underneath. Now, if you fancy, drop that little light color. You can use a 2 for that too. A 2 can highlight. And there's that triangle on my forehead. Okay, so I'm gonna drop that there. And snatch your Ruski all the way down. This, number 2, perfect highlighter. Watch this. That highlight, I just put it on my finger. Whoop. You see that? Beautiful highlighter. That is perfect. That is nice. I'll do the same thing the other side. Kind of like an all-in-one. My sister would say like a twofer. It's a twofer. And who doesn't like a twofer? I mean, even if you don't want to admit it, you like it. You like it. My lips are so dry. I'm gonna drink more water. Little trick though, you can use a toothbrush, just brush your teeth and brush your lips at the same time. Yeehaw! Got some more country tips and tricks for you. You go on and tune in. There's 2. Okay, the number 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. A little bit more 2. Real nice and close, and just blend that back on out. Okay. Ooh. I love this.